Hello everyone. It's Monica Bravo, and today I'm connecting with you all because I want you to think about your blissful inventory. So as a entrepreneur, as a woman, as a mom, as a business owner, as a spiritual healer, a guide, I want you to think about your blissful inventory. And I'm just going to share this with my private Facebook group because it's very important for us to create this blissful inventory. If we don't do this right in the beginning of starting our business, then many times there are things that get lost in translation. So when you start any kind of coaching program or any kind of program that's going to build your mindset or transform your life, you need to start by taking inventory in regards to what is truly happening in your life, right? So I want you to grab a piece of paper, and in my private Facebook group, we do this. We create an inventory of our life, and we find out what brings us energy and what drains us, right? So the key is to look at the different areas of your life and to truly take inventory on your life. So I want you to close your eyes for a moment, and I want you to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And I want you to look at the different areas of your life, right? Each of us has a very clear definition of how our life is. And to take action in your business, you actually have to look at what's draining you, and we also call this energy leaks, and what's providing you energy. And I just want to start with, what does energy mean? So the definition of energy is the strength and vitality required for sustained physical or mental activity. It is your most valuable, renewable resource, your energy. So we gain energy when we feel vibrant, when we have satisfaction in our career, when we're really in a good exercise program, or we have a fulfilling spiritual practice. So we want to think about that, and you want to think about key areas of your life, and you want to think, is this draining me? Is it creating an energy leak, or is it inspiring me and actually helping me? Good morning, good morning. So I want you to think about that. When you start transforming yourself, your business, and you're ready to really take charge, and I like to say, like, take it all by the reins. And when I work with my one-on-one clients, we sit and we do this. So I want you to do this for yourself, is I want you to just get a handle on what's going on in your life, grab a journal, and I want you to think about what is creating energy in your life and what is draining you. So I want you to look at very specific things. So I want you to first look at your foundation. Your foundation is your spiritual life, right? So are you connected with your spiritual life? Are you doing meditations, affirmations? Are you going for hikes? Are you doing prayer? Are you going to church? What is it you're doing? I want you to write that down. That is your foundation. The next part is actually your home, right? Is your home energizing you? Do you have a clean space? Do you have organization? Do you have things that inspire you around your home? Like I have this believe sign here. So I want you to think about that. Then I want you to look at your relationships. So what are things that you might need to let go of? Maybe it's a friendship. Maybe it's somebody that you need to remove from your life. Maybe it is a family member, a spouse, a partner, maybe a partnership that you need to just let go of. So I want you to write down is where in these different areas, what's creating energy and what's draining your energy. As an entrepreneur, you need to be very clear about this. So what is draining you in your relationship? What is draining you in your home? What is creating or draining you in your spirituality, right? And then think about your career. So as I coach entrepreneurs, we look at their career. Is the career that you're in creating energy for you, right? Is what you're doing creating energy, or is it draining you? So write that down. Career. Is that increasing your energy, or is it draining you? Is it an actual energy leak, right? Then we have your health. So in your health, are you taking care of the cooking? Are you eating healthy foods? I mean, all of these things create a roadmap for your success as a businesswoman, leader, spiritual healer, entrepreneur, right? So send me all a heart if you agree, as these are foundational. Are you creating too much physical activity in your life, or do you feel balanced? That is another thing. What is increasing the energy again, and what is draining or creating an energy leak in your life? And then what are you doing with your finances, right? So do you need to open a 401k? Do you need to put some money in a savings? Do you need to pay off debt? So when you start a business and you want to attract clients and you want to manifest more into your life, you actually have to create these really energy creating activities, right? So to live a blissful life, to have a blissful business, you have to get all these areas contained, and you really have to be clear on what is draining you. So I want you to look at your list. What do you need to let go of? Relationships, friendships, partnerships, right? Maybe you need to actually increase those. So go for a hike with a friend, go to the movies with a friend, increase those. Maybe that is what's out of balance in your life. In your work and career, right? How are you feeling in these areas? What can you let go of so you don't feel overwhelmed? Are you having fun? Are you doing fun things? Dance night, going to dinner with friends, going on a weekend trip. Are you having joy? Write that down. A lot of people don't always have that. Self-care. So my self-care is yoga, meditation, reading a good book, and really just sitting and talking and working on my inner self, right? Connection to my guides, connection to my spirit. So I want you to think about that. And then don't forget about your home. Is your home secure? Are you feeling safe? Do you feel connected? Is there something you have to let go of in your home? Do you need to be really working on cleaning up, organizing, stabilizing? So this only takes a little bit of time. Grab a journal. I want you to write these main topics in your journal, and I want you to really rank them in order of importance. Where do you need the most change? And right now, if it's your career, most people are coming to me for that, is if it's your career, you need to write down exactly what it is that you want to create in your career. I had a woman this morning in my group saying she wants to make $10,000 a month, another one at $10,000 a week. Okay, we can make that happen. However, you need to let go of the junk, right? So if you're trying to build your career, you need to let go of all the other things that are leaking your energy. You need to clean up all that stuff, and you need to move forward. But you need to make yourself a list. So make yourself a list of what is, I call this the blissful inventory list. Make a list of what's really increasing your energy, and also make a list of what you need to let go of, right? What is draining you? Make that list. I want you to go to my private Facebook group. It's Live Your Bliss. with Monica Bravo and post on there what you're releasing and what you're increasing, right? So if you need to increase income, if you need to increase eating healthy, these all have to be written down, right? So that you know step by step what you need to clear out of your life, what is draining you, and then this is only going to increase your success. So my goal is for you to have success for the week and really get yourself going. Over the next 10 days, I'm going to share with you my tips on how to increase your business 10 clients in 10 days. And this is going to be a tremendous change for most of you. It is not difficult. I'm going to show you easy tips, less than an hour, on how you can start to build your business in an authentic way that really serves you and your clients, because we need clients that actually want to hear our message, right? And believe in our message. And I am here for clarity. So if you need clarity in your business, you can set up an appointment with me. This is a free 45-minute call. This is your clarity call, your breakthrough call. Send me a message and we'll get that set up. Today, what I want you to do is write down what is draining your energy and what is increasing your energy, and really what you want to focus on for this week. When you get clear, you can take action, okay? My name is Monica Bravo. I am a holistic health and life coach and a blissful living expert. I'm here to empower all women to find cash flow and abundance in their life. And if you need any assistance, give me a call or send me a message. You can also go to my website, blissfullivingblueprint.com. Bye.